morning guys, it is 11:30 right now on a Saturday and I'm just running a few errands today. I asked on Insta stories if I should vlog or if I should do Insta stories, and I just kept checking and it's just been 50-50, so I'm gonna do a bit of both. Yeah, so if you do follow me on Insta stories, if you don't, then here is my name, Saf's Life. If you do, then you know that I cleared up this, like I made this so clear. This had things all the way along here, all the way along here. Ignore these aren't going to stay here, they're just charging at the moment. Yeah, this was all messy, but I've been cleaning and stuff on my Insta stories. I've put, this never used to open, so this was a handle here, but now it opens, and all of my cutlery and stuff, which was originally there, is now in there. So I'm really happy about that. Now I just need to sort this corner out. I've also moved my coffee stuff to here. I did say I was going to get rid of this, but people love it. Like, my family loves it when they come around. So I'm going to keep it now and see how often I use it when it's sitting right here. I also organised my pods in this, which is like a thing that you put pans on. So I'm going to keep those in there for now. I've got my brown sugar and my mugs as well. But yeah, so today we're just running some errands. We've got to go pick out some carpets. Also, I'm going to finish spray painting this mirror, because my living room I'm changing to like a gold, navy blue, black theme. I've been doing it slowly, so like the shelves and stuff are all up, and the photo frames and everything's up, but I just need to paint and do like the finishing touches. The colour that I'm going for is Dulux's Sapphire Salute, so if you've seen that, you know it's very dark. So I'm a bit scared, and I'm going to do like off-white type grey, not too dark on the top, so it's still like light in the room. Do you know what I mean? Yeah, we'll see how it's going to look. I don't know, I have a vision in my mind, I just don't know what it's going to look like in real life. But yeah, that's enough of that. This is the state of this room. It's an actual mess. So I'm going to just sort it out a little bit before we go out, so I can come back to a nice clean house. Well, clean living room. Not going to do anything else, am I? Elisa, what are you doing? Do you want to help me tidy up?
No.
No? Didn't think so, love. A little bit better. Gotta put that in the other room. But yeah, this little man's sleeping. We're just gonna get in the car now and we're gonna go. I'm really hungry, so I might eat something. I just dropped Elisa off at her cousin's house because she's been going on about seeing them for the whole day. So I was just like, you know what, you go there and then we're gonna go look at carpets. But we just had a little bit of KFC, which is disgusting, guys. I hate KFC so much right now. Like, every time I go there, it's just disappointing and horrible. So I don't even know why I bother. I think the only reason I actually do bother is because it's a drive-through, and with kids, it's just so long. Are you growling? He growls like a little dinosaur. He's so cute. Are you the cutest? Anyway. I kind of am showing Issa now on my vlogs, but I don't want to like shove the camera in his face and like things like that, so I'm just gonna like show him like that a little bit. But yeah, so we're just about to head out again to go and look for carpets. We've just measured Elisa's room and our room, and now we're ready to find some, I don't know anything about carpets, so yeah, good luck to us. Been to 2 carpet shops. When you go carpet shopping, you just don't realise how much you don't know about carpets. But yeah, they're just trying to sell you all these different carpets and I have no idea what they are. So I'm going to do a little bit of research and then we're going to see which one looks the best. This place has a lot more carpets, like it's massive, it's like a big warehouse. He's back! Say hi!
Hi!
We're going to get Elisa some trainers because she's grown out of her old ones, so we're going to go and get her some.
Good job!
Hold my hand.
Good job!
So we were just in Sports Direct and Elisa goes, I need a poo. They don't have any toilets there, so I had to drive over the road to Sainsbury's. So that's where we're at now. Oh my god, we made it. So this might be TMI for a few people, but she actually did a poo. Which I thought she wouldn't, because sometimes she says I need to go for a poo and she doesn't, so she did. Which it makes me happy because I drove all the way over here just so she could do it. We are back in Sports Direct now. And we're in this weird lift that you have to press the button. And there's the door.
Get it.
It's the next day now, and yes, I'm wearing the same top. Sometimes you just gotta do what you gotta do because the laundry piles up, man. This was not dirty. I literally wore it for like 3 hours while I was out, and then I changed as soon as I got back. But yeah, Elisa's sleeping. That's why you can probably hear some snoring. It's raining outside. It is Sunday today. Isa's asleep as well. I'm next to Coventry Road. I'm waiting for my dad and we're gonna go to Chaiwala to have a cup of tea and maybe a cake. I don't know, we'll see what we fancy. I have the worst headache and yesterday I got home from carpet shopping and I literally just fell asleep on the floor. I'm not even joking. I was sitting with Isa on the floor and I fell asleep. So that's what happened. That's why I didn't vlog anymore yesterday. I uploaded my video yesterday, guys. If you haven't watched it yet, it's the previous video to this one. It's the banoffee pie recipe and it was with Marwa Chebi. A collaboration, because I think it's so interesting how people make the exact same dish and they use different ingredients and it just comes out so different when other people make it. It's so strange, like, and the techniques that people use and all that kind of thing, like, it's just so interesting, I find. I don't know if that's just me being weird, but yeah, I just think it's really interesting. By the way, we didn't get any carpet in the end because I don't know anything about carpet. Going carpet shopping opened my eyes to what it is like buying a carpet. Like, I have no idea about the carpet types, and obviously when you go to places like the shop, when you go to the shops that you buy carpet from, they're all of them say different things and they're all different prices, and oh my gosh, it just hurt my brain. So I'm gonna do some more research and then we'll look into buying carpet again. But yeah. Good morning, guys. It is pancake day, so we're having pancakes for breakfast. This is the ones I've made already. I've got 2 pans, a big one and a small one, and I'm just going to make all of this batter, which is not a lot really, but yeah, no, this is our breakfast. Hey? You want the small one? But yeah, so we're making pancakes. So all of the pancakes are done. These ones are lemon and sugar, and these ones are banana and Nutella, and I can't wait to eat. So that's what I'm going to do now. Well, obviously I'm not going to eat all of those myself. What did you say?
Papa and Ellie and Pocket was trouble and running away.
They're running away.
Yes, it's this big monster.
The big monster. Say hi, friends.
Hi, friends.
What were we doing today?
Eating cookies.
Eating cookies. Did we make them?
Yeah.
Yeah. And oh, okay. Okay. She's just watching Pocoyo and she came to tell me what was happening. This little man has started crawling like crazy like the last couple of days. He just crawled from the living room to here. Just all the way through the kitchen. What are you doing? Are you shouting? You want to have a little chat. She's so sweet. Anyway, I'm expecting an avocado shop, so that should be coming very soon. Look, where's Banjo? Look. Meow, meow. I'm expecting an avocado shop, so that should be coming very soon. But yeah, we've just been having a chill one. My sister came round with her little girl for a little bit, and I also spray painted outside. Shall I show you? It's really mild. It's really mild today compared to how it's been the last few days. It's like it hasn't rained yet. It's going to speak too soon and then it's all going to rain. But this is the mirror. This used... Oh no, is it raining? Oh my god, it's actually raining. Okay, I need to bring this in. So that is the mirror that I spray painted. I did this is the second coat I've done and now it looks perfect, so I'm happy with it. So this is my dinner. It doesn't look the best, but it's egg, keema, and then I've got toast. Does anybody else like prefer toast to like roti and stuff like that? Because I like it a lot. He's having some toast. She's got some egg and toast. She doesn't like anything but egg and toast and pasta. You know, really plain food. She goes, ew, ew, ew. So naughty. But yeah, we're just gonna eat now. She wants to eat in the other room, but I'm not letting her. Can you eat, please? That's the end of this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching.
No, baby.
You're meant to be saying bye, not hi.
Bye.
But yeah, I'm gonna end the video now because I'm not sure how long it is or anything like that. I've literally not even been through what I've got. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. Follow me on Instagram because I upload on there quite a lot. And yeah, I will see you in my next video hopefully. Bye.